Tasters, we're back here at the studio, and I just wanted to share something new in this studio of ours. It is these two prints that I just printed a few days ago. And of course, just to share with you guys, for those of you who doesn't know me that much, I also do digital art. And of course, this channel started as a digital art channel, but I had to venture into filmmaking because I love them both. I'm sharing this to you because I just recently printed this to add up some, aesthetic beauty in this studio, because, this has been very bare on these walls. So I had to put something that I think and I felt that I am proud of. And I've made these artworks for Fandomaniacs way back, and they are selling these artworks of mine. You can check out their website, and I will leave those links in the description below. They are producing merch and, all fan base kind of stuff, like frames like these. They are actually, these two, they are selling this as a lenticular picture. So I drew two kinds of Gojo and Eren as well. That Eren is transforming into Titan, and Gojo is revealing his beautiful eyes. And yes, so you can check those artworks, and you can purchase them on fandomaniacs.com. And again, Tasters, this is Taste Visuals, and together let's explore, learn, create, and share. See you on my next video. Taste Visuals out.